So one of the things that you can actually do in DeepSeek is enable something called Deepthink. Once you go ahead and do that, it'll actually go ahead and then let you see what Deepthink is actually thinking behind the scenes while it's actually replying to your queries. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, hello there, how are you? So if this were to just be turned off, then it'll simply straightforwardly answer. But if I were to go ahead and send this, let's say, for example, hello there, how are you? Then what happens is that DeepSeek is thinking, as you can see right here. So now Deepthink is actually turned on. So now as it processes, it'll actually show what it is actually thinking before it actually answers out a question. So it says, okay, the user greeted me with hello, how are you? Let me start by acknowledging their greeting. Should they respond politely, keeping it friendly? Since I'm an AI, I don't have feelings. And you can see that now finally it actually goes ahead and replies to you. So I'm just going to go around and say, can you help me with coding problems right here, just like this. So now what happens is that it says thinking again. So it'll analyze out whatever I typed, and then what happens is that it says, okay, now it started to think this. So the user just asked if I can help with coding problem. Let me start by confirming that I can indeed assist with that. I should mention the programming languages I can handle, like Python, JavaScript, Java, etc. and so forth, as you can see right here. So it says, absolutely, I can help with coding problems across various languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, Java, C++, HTML, and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and enable Deepthink to actually see how the program actually thinks, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.